Hello children, welcome to my channel Kids Ocean, an ocean of knowledge. Today in English of Standard 4th, let us learn a new poem. The name of the poem is Time for Everything. Children, time plays a significant role in our life. Time helps us make a good habit of structuring and organizing our daily activities. If you understand the value of time better, you can gain experience and develop skills over time. Time is a very precious thing in our life. Time is the most valuable resource because you cannot take it back. Time for everything. There's a time to run and a time to walk. Time means a duration in which all things happen. Time is the most important aspect in our life. For example, if you take part in running competition, then you have to run fast, win it and show. Or when you are late for the school, you will run and reach the school fast. In the same way, if your mother tells you to bring something from the market, at that time you don't run, you walk. Because there is enough time for you, which your mother gives you. So, all the time you don't run, all the time you don't walk. According to the requirement of your work, you run and you walk. There's a time for silence, a time for talk. The meaning of this line is like this. Children, when you go to the library or at a doctor, you will keep silence. Because in these places, already it is clearly mentioned or instructions are given to maintain silence. In the same way, when you are with your family and friends, you talk, share your feelings and emotions. In the class, when the teacher asks you the questions, you talk and answer it. There's a time for work and a time for play. Children, you know that everything has its own time. For example, you go to school on time, try to complete your homework on time, and every day your father goes to work or office on time, and at the same time your mother completes her household activities on time. Students, once you finish your homework, you are free to play any indoor or outdoor game with your friends. Hence, there is a time for doing every work in our life. There's a time for sleep at the close of day. At the close of day means at the end of the day. Children, at the end of the day, after completing all our work, we go to sleep or we take rest to become fresh again. Every work has a proper time, whether to wake up, take breakfast, lunch or dinner and go to sleep. So we do our daily activities according to the time. There's a time for everything you do. Means we should try to do every work on time. We cannot do any work at any time. For children and for grown-ups too. There is a proper time for everyone. It is not necessary that only children or grown-ups or adults should maintain timetable. Everyone must follow the timetable, whatever may be. A time to stand up and a time to sit. Here the meaning of this line is like this. For example, while saying assembly prayers or singing national anthem, we stand. And in the same way, in the class, when teacher is explaining a lesson or clearing the concept, we sit and listen carefully and we try to understand the lesson. But see that the time and actions fit. Means basically do the right thing at the right time. Hence, the poet wants to convey the message that every small little action should be done at a proper or an appropriate time. That is why it is said that time is very precious. Finally, the poet says that time is a wealth in a student's life. Children, it makes your career when used wisely. Being a student, you should do everything on time. Your time management is very important in our life. Good time management reduces stress and allow us to achieve our goals faster and easier. Hence, time management is an important key to lead a successful life. Now the recitation of the poem. Time for everything. There's a time to run and a time to walk. There's a time for silence, a time for talk. There's a time for work and a time for play. There's a time for sleep at the close of day. There's a time for everything you do, for children and for grown-ups too. A time to stand up and a time to sit. But see that the time and actions fit. Thank you.